You'll learn the parts of speech like you're building a house. Foundation in the ground, not your verb and your noun. With these 8 tools in your truck, you'll be on your way to building houses one day.
All they care about is grammar. No one even remembered to fill my milk bowl. Meow, woe is me. While Great Aunt Sally, Edquist, Ebenezer, and Sheila were happily sitting down to supper, I wandered into the living room, and outside I noticed a kiddie bowl filled with my favorite tuna-flavored cat food. There I was, blissfully munching away at my dinner when I heard a voice. "Here, kitty, kitty, I have a new ball of yarn for you," it said. How could I resist? Suddenly I was trapped, catnapped, by the mechanical menace. This is a catastrophe.
We've been looking for over an hour. I think we should tell Great Aunt Sally.
You're right. Maybe she'll know what to do.
Sally.
What is it? Is everything okay?
We can't find Kitty. We've been searching for an hour, and we're getting worried.
There. I'm sure Kitty will turn up. You know how she likes to hide. Why don't we try one more grammar lesson to pass the time and distract ourselves? It's time for adverbs. These can be tricky, so we'll need to concentrate.
Maybe Sally's right. I bet Kitty will appear when she's ready.
Fine.
Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. A good trick to remember when identifying adverbs is to look for the suffix ly. Not all adverbs end in ly, but many do. For example, if I said Kitty laughed mischievously as she hid in the attic, can you identify the adverb?
The attic. We forgot to check the attic.
To answer your question, the adverb in the sentence is mischievously. It ends in ly and it describes the verb laughed.
Can we please check the attic before we learn more about adverbs?
Of course.
Yikes!
Another window destroyed.
Wait, there's a note attached to this stale muffin. If you ever want to see your precious Kitty again, stop studying immediately. I guess Kitty isn't in the attic.
Oh dear, but Steve did do a good job incorporating adverbs into his demand.
Great Aunt Sally, we don't have time for grammar. We need to save Kitty.
You're right. It's time we make a plan.
When you work with your hands and you work with your mind, you gotta have all your tools in line. A cabin or cake, or build a castle on the beach. Then you're building with your words, you need the parts of speech. You'll learn the parts of speech like you're building a house. Foundation in the ground, not your verb and your noun. With these 8 tools in your truck, you'll be on your way to building houses one day.